Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The CS Geek. I'm Sumant and today I'm going to walk you through my project, Reader's Cabin. So what is Reader's Cabin? Well, it is basically a book review site in which users will be able to search for books, leave reviews for individual books, and pull ratings of websites from a broader audience. But first, user must register and log in order to access the library. For developers, Reader's Cabin has a feature to let users query for book details programmatically via my website's API, which I'll show you shortly. Technologies used to build this project are HTML, SAS, Bootstrap for frontend, PostgreSQL for backend, for database, Python and Flask, a micro framework in Python with SQL Alchemy for backend. Now let me show you how the project functions. This is the home page and there is a nav bar in which there are only a few links right now, but once you log in you'll get access to the remaining links. And this is the footer where you'll find my links to various social media accounts. And now when I register, first we must register, and this is the form, and here we must fill all the fields in order to submit the data. Like for example, let me show you. If I fill only one field, then it'll show you it needs this field to be filled. So let me give a password. And then when I submit by leaving those two, it'll shows us that these fields must be filled. So let me give an email. Username and password. Now when we give confirm password wrong, like they don't match, then we'll see that it'll prompt us to enter the passwords again. And now we registered successfully, and you can see a flash message, registered, and you can now log in, and it will automatically redirect us to the login page. And now when I log in, I'll get access to the library contact me dashboard page, and then I can log out. So let's get started. This is a library page. You can access it via this link also. And let's explore. You can search by 4 parameters. It's ISBN number of the book, title, author, and year. So let's see ISBN number 123. Like you no need to remember the whole ISBN number of the book. You can just type in a part and it will automatically return all the results which have that particular value in it. For example, and now you can click on the ISBN number of the book, and then you can see more details about the book. For example, let's see about this book, Fearless 14. You can see the title, author, publication year, ISBN number of that book, total number of ratings, and average rating. And you can see the reviews here. Right now there are no reviews. You can add your review here by this form. And for developers, you can view the JSON format of this, which is this, and you can access this by using this route /API/ISBN number. Here the ISBN number is the particular number of that book which you are accessing. Not only this book, you can give any book here and you'll get the data of that book. Let's quickly add a review. For example, let's give 4, a good read. Let's submit. Now you can see it says review added. Let's refresh. You can see a review is added here. Rating 4, a good read, and date is also here. Now when I want to add another review for this book, it's 3, not a good book. When I try to add another review for the same book, then it will show review already added. we can add only one review for a particular book. Like a user can add only one review for a particular book. And you can see what all books you have reviewed in the dashboard section. Here you can see account info. You can see the reviews you've added, and if you click here, you'll be taken back to that book page. So let's go back to library and review some other book. For example, let's go by title this time. Let's see. Blue. We got one book, Bitter Blue. No reviews found. Let's add a review here. Say 2. I didn't like this book, for example. Not a good read. I'll submit it. Review added. Now when I go back to my dashboard, I should be able to see 2 reviews added here. See, and when I click on this, you'll be taken to that book, and here you can see that there's a review. Now coming to the contact me page, here we can add our username and email only. Let's see what happens if we try to add some other username, like for example sumant@gmail.com. We add this and some body, hello, and if we try to submit, you must see that this is not my username. Then it will show enter correct username and email. So if we enter only our username and email, then only it will send the message to the admin, message sent, and it will redirect us to the home page. Let's log out and log in with some other user. Let's register as, let's say, Sumant13. Email would be sumant13@sumant13. Say submit. Now I can log in. Now I'm logged in. If you see the dashboard, now Sumant13, and I haven't reviewed it. So let's go to the library, search for a book. Let's search for the same book. Let's see if Sumant's reviews are there or not. Let's go to Blue. Title, sorry. Title Blue. Now you can see that Sumant12, another user, added a review here, and you can see it. Now you can add here a review here too. Let's say Sumant13 liked this book. Submit, and when you go to the dashboard, you can see that a review is added here, and you can go to that book page particularly. You can see 2 reviews are here now. Like that, users can add the reviews here, and the other people will be able to see. So this is my project, guys. Do let me know how you like it in the comments below. And when I log out, I'll be taken back to the page. And I want to mention another here. Like if I try to access library from here, then it'll ask us to log in first. We know that there's a library route here. So what I can do, I can simply in the address bar, I can add /library, but it'll ask us to log in first. Unauthorized, please log in first. So this is a good security feature to have. As you can see, our app is deployed in Heroku. Now I'm going to show you the code of the project. You can find the code in my GitHub, which I'll link in the description. So this is the application.py file. and this contains the Flask backend code. So these are the various routes. This is the default route. This is the route for register page, and this is the WT forms. By the way, we are using WT forms for validation in the forms. We have register route, we have the login route, and you can see we are using raw SQL queries in order to query from the database. And this is the function which is used to find if user is logged in or not. Like we are implementing sessions, so we can see if the user is present in the session or not. Then we can see if he's accessing without logging in. So a particular route should be given access only when the user is logged in. So flash message will be sent, unauthorized, please log in first, as we seen before. There's a route for library page, and we are using SMTP server mail and mailtrap.io in order to send the contact information to the admin.